Hello dear children, welcome back to this beautiful day. Today we are going to sing a rhyme. Which rhyme? Do you know? Yes, see these birds. Today we are going to learn the rhyme Two Little Dicky Birds. Two Little Dicky Birds is the name of the rhyme. First we will go through the wordings of the rhyme and then you have to sing along with me. Let's start. Two little dicky birds sat on a tree. There were two birds, dicky birds. Dicky birds means small birds. Two small birds were sitting on a tree. Where they were sitting? On a tree. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Now there were two birds. How many birds? Two. Two birds were sitting on a tree. In that, one bird's name was Peter and other one's name was Paul. Next is fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Now birds were sitting on the tree. Which birds? Peter and Paul. Then what they did? First Peter flew away and then after Paul flew away. You also do same thing. Yes, when your friend runs, you also run behind him. Same way, when Peter flew away, after that Paul also flew away. Come back Peter, come back Paul. Then Peter came back. Then after Paul also came back. So these were the wordings of the rhyme. Now let's sing the rhyme. Let's sing with actions. See, these are two birds. Two little dicky birds. Let's sing. Two little dicky birds sat on a tree. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. Okay, now let's sing with the pictures. Are you all ready? Yes? Let's start. Two little dicky birds sat on a tree. What is next? One named Peter, other named Paul. Then fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. One more time we will sing. You have to repeat after me. See how Miss is singing? Miss is doing action and singing. Same way you have to sing. Come on, do the action. Two little dicky birds, yes. Two little dicky birds sat on a tree. One named Peter, other named Paul. Fly away Peter, fly away Paul. Come back Peter, come back Paul. See, these are two little dicky birds. So dear children, I hope you enjoyed this rhyme. It is very small and easy rhyme for you. In the homework, you have to learn this rhyme. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.